Okay, this is my MacBook, 13-inch, mid-2010. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core Duo processor with a maximum memory of 4 gigabytes, 1067 megahertz DDR3. So it's got two slots, and it says that's all it can handle. I've been reading on the internet, and they say you can update these old MacBooks to 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I went to Otherworld Computing and got two 8 gigabytes of RAM per side, and I'm going to install it and see what happens. Okay, what you will need for this, to take the back off, there's 8 screws. You need a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to take the battery cable off, and then you just pop the two RAM Okay, what you need for this project is there's 8 screws, and you'll need a Phillips to take those out. Then you'll need a spudger to disconnect the battery, and then to replace your RAM modules, we'll take those two out and put these two in. Okay, once you get the screws off, you want to pull it from the back in, lift it up, set it aside. Now take your plastic spudger, and we're going to disconnect the battery. Okay, now the battery is disconnected. Here's your modules. Just pull them little tabs out. That one pops up. I'll go ahead and do the bottom one. Okay, you may have to take out the retaining wall that holds the drive in to get the bottom module out. Okay, I got that first one in. Okay, let's see what happens. I put in that 16 gigabytes of RAM, and so the geeks were right. And now it's got 8 gigabytes each, 16 installed. That's cool. Awesome.